You're my only Bambi Bambi. 너와 딱 어울리는 밤이야. 내려와 Bambi Bambi. 우릴 더 촉촉하게 적셔이 밤이 새도록. Bambi 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 Bambi. You're so precious, I can't take it. You are dreamy Bambi Bambi, yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Niwa and today I'm showing you my Bambi eyes look. Let's go! So first, with foundation, I always like to apply it with a brush first and then blend it out with my sponge for a nice even coverage. I will be concealing just under my eyes and also on my chin because I have an unwanted front there. Then I will be highlighting on the high points of my face just to accentuate, bring them forward. I'm going to set that with a translucent powder. Then for brows, I wanted to just fill them in naturally, just to frame the strong eye look that we're doing. Is it just me or did my eyebrows get thicker? Is it just me? And so I'm starting off the eye look with a liquid eyeshadow base. This is Alpaca by Maven Beauty. I'm using the Basic Beat palette, the medium blend one, and using the bottom left shade, I am washing this all over my eyelids. And then I'm using a smaller brush to go in my crease and under my eyes with the two shades on the right. I'm just trying to create depth and a bit of a shadow. And I'm switching between brushes to blend it out as I go. When you smile and you see that like crease under your eyes, defining that actually makes your eyes look rounder and bigger, so it is an essential for this look. And then I'm just going in again with those two shades under my eyes. Then with the Define palette, I am using the dark black matte shade and I'm lining my eyes. And also under my eyes, starting from the inner corner and slightly smoking it outwards, but not all the way. And then with the Maven Beauty Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in brown, I chose to use brown instead of black because it's not as harsh as black, but it's still there. And I'm creating bottom lashes too, just 2 or 3 strokes under my eyes on the outer corners. And so I'm using the Maven Beauty Basic Beat medium blend palette again under my eyes and then going over that with the fine glitter dust. I like to heat my curlers, my eyelash curlers before using them just for maximum impact. I'm not using a full set of lashes, I'm just using some individual lashes towards the end of my eyes to create a natural but still flared out kind of look. And I'm using my contour powder, just contouring my nose, under my lip and my face, make my face smaller. And I'm applying blush above my cheekbones, so a bit higher than I usually would, but it's just trying something new. And now I'm lining my lips. I'm using my favorite lipstick at the moment. This is Sus by Maven Beauty. Magnetic. I'm very impressed. I'm using this as a base. And then I'll use a tint in the middle. And I like it like this as well, but I decided to put on gloss just to be extra. But now I'm highlighting my face with the Maven Beauty Draped Up highlighter. It is so blinding, guys. And obviously I have to draw my moles. And with that, we are done with the look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.